How do you close your Robinhood account? There's a few steps you have to take to deactivate your Robinhood account. First, what you're going to need to do is log in and go to the upper right Account tab. Inside of there, we're going to go down to Settings. Once we're inside of Settings, on the left-hand side, you're going to see Deactivate Your Account. So when we click on that, it's going to give you a list of steps of things you need to do. You need to make sure you disable Cash Sweep, close all your positions, so basically sell all of your stock or any positions and have cash only in your account, after which you need to bring your account balance to zero. So withdraw all of your funds and take them all out of your account. Once you've finished each of these steps, then you can click deactivate your account below, and that will close your Robinhood account. Now you can't start up a different account, but you can reactivate your account if you need to later or want to later start investing on Robinhood again. Now, if you are starting a new account or reactivating your account, click the affiliate link in the description and we'll both receive a free stock. But this is how you can close your Robinhood account.